With your Bioenergetic Revitalization subscription, you have access to 12 individualized microcurrent frequency or IMF programs for your Healy. If you select Bioenergetic Revitalization IMF programs in the Start menu, you can search for a topic that is most important to you and find individualized microcurrent frequency programs to harmonize your bioenergetic field, which you can then use directly within the Healy app. In our case, we search for stress in the Bioenergetic Revitalization search and find some suitable IMF programs, which you can add to the program pool by clicking on the plus symbol and run at a later time. Alternatively, you can start the corresponding IMF program directly by tapping it in the detail view here. You can also use the drop-down menu for searching in other categories or in all categories at once. Under Your Daily Revitalization, you will find easy-to-use tips for your daily well-being. These tips are available in different categories. If you tap on an image, its detailed description will appear. By ticking the box in the top right corner, you can select the exercises that you have already done today. Alternatively, you can also select the tips in the overview. When you have marked all the selected tips, confirm your selection by clicking on Save Achieved Goals. In the next overview, you can see the red average line in the graphic representation, which shows the number of 7 daily reached goals. The number of your achieved goals should ideally be above this line. If you tap on an individual day of this week in the chart, you will see all your daily tips listed again at the bottom of the screen. By using the Edit function, you can return to the overview page for your tips and add those that you may additionally have accomplished. Another feature is the Bioenergetic Revitalization Assistant, which allows you to choose from a list of your current topics and receive a selection of IMF Healy programs to harmonize your bioenergetic field. We choose for soul and well-being and then confirm next. In the subcategory, we select establishing mental balance and also confirm by clicking next. As a result, you will be shown all your relevant IMF program recommendations. Here you can add the corresponding programs to your program pool by clicking on the plus symbol and then click on Done to view them right there. Your program pool with all the IMF Healy programs that have been recommended for you can be found here at the bottom of the screen. This is where you can start your programs with the Healy app or delete them from the list by clicking the Edit icon. Using the slider, you can access your IMF program planner. Here you can select up to 3 topics that you have previously selected in the assistant and automatically create a schedule for the whole week. You can also specify certain periods when you are not available. Click on Edit and then on Change Application Times. By checking or unchecking the boxes, you can add your programs in the morning, afternoon, or evening. Alternatively, you can check the entire column here. Finish the process by clicking on Update IMF Schedule to save the changes and confirm here with Next. In the IMF Scheduler overview, you can scroll to the right to view more weeks. Tapping Today will take you back to the current week. Select a program item to start it directly in the detailed view or to add or remove it from the program pool. Below, you will find your active topics from the assistant on which your IMF program schedule is based. By clicking on Change Topic, you will be taken to an overview where you can select a maximum of 3 different topics that you have previously found in either Bioenergetic Revitalization, Digital Nutrition, or Heal Advisor Search. If you want to search for more topics, select More Topics. At the bottom, you will find an overview of all IMF programs for the current day.